Tired of the constant upkeep of your wood siding? We have the perfect solution for you. Watch how we transformed this Mount Soledad home with TexCote Coolwall. This home's wood siding was in dire need of attention. Years of exposure to the elements had taken their toll. Fortunately, we were here to help. Before applying TexCote Coolwall, we meticulously prepared the surface. This included thorough cleaning, preparing, and repairing any damaged areas. Then, we expertly applied the durable and long-lasting TexCote Coolwall coating. This innovative product not only provides a stunning, refreshed look, but also offers superior protection against the elements. The result? A revitalized home with a stunning, vibrant exterior that will stand the test of time. Contact Genesis Home Improvements today to learn how we can transform your home with the power of TexCote Coolwall.